Good morning, ma'am. Please state your name and the subject that you are.
Okay, I am Miss Faith Notario and I am teaching English, Filipino, Arts, and Health
What
subject.
grade level?
Grade 9, 8, and grade 7.
So, I have two questions, ma'am, that uh, you have to answer. First is, what are the new features of the latest grading system? What things are you required to do with this new grading system which you were not asked before?
So, to answer the two questions, the new features of the latest grading system is mas simpler yung components niya. So, nahati lang siya sa tatlo: written works, performance task, and yung quarterly assessment. At nagpuput ng more weight sa performance task. So, yung ginagawa ng teacher is we create activities more on nagpe-perform yung students para ma-apply nila in real world situation. And at the same time, yung mga teachers, we are required to create yung interactive performance task nga with rubrics. Kailangan yun, yung rubrics task. We should give more details and timely feedback sa aming learners. At the same time, kailangan namin i-explain sa parents and students yung pinagkaiba ng raw score sa transmuted fields.
So, very comprehensive yung sagot ni ma'am, no? And talaga na tumpak din yung hinahanap na sagot. Number two, last question po. Which do you prefer, the old or the new grading system? Why? Or
So, I prefer yung new grading system because nami-measure yung actual skills ng students at napropromote yung meaningful learning and nagfo-focus siya sa performance task kaya magagamit nila sa pagtumuntong na sila ng college.
so, yun lang po, ma'am. At thank you for your insightful answers po.
Thank you.